Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Firmware and iOS are up to date, and your AirPods Pro are charged and paired. Open Control Center on iPhone or go to Settings Bluetooth, then tap the info icon next to your AirPods. Once done, make sure the stem gestures are enabled and that your device recognizes both earbuds. This avoids intermittent mode switching. Now you're ready to move directly into toggling modes and customizing transparency for listening clarity and safety. You access the noise control menu by long pressing the volume slider in Control Center, which reveals active noise cancellation, transparency, and off. Tap transparency to enable external sound pass-through. This preserves situational awareness. Alternatively, go into Settings Bluetooth your AirPods noise control to switch modes and fine-tune ambient balance. Make adjustments so voices and traffic remain clear without overpowering music. Once set, test with a short walk. This confirms the transparency profile suits your environment and volume preferences. You finish by testing transparency in real scenarios, street noise, conversations, or public transit, and toggle to compare. If transparency won't engage, reset the AirPods by placing them in the case, closing the lid for 30 seconds, then holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. Repair afterward. Make sure no other Bluetooth device is forcing audio routing, and confirm iOS audio accessibility settings aren't overriding noise control. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.